You probably already know that Rap Nation is an American music promotion and even becoming popular in India. Best known for its YouTube channel which features electronic music. Hey everyone, in this guide we'll show you how to create videos like Rap Nation with the ease and with no software. Let's tune in.
First, click on a search engine whatever you have. I am going with Google Chrome. Then type onemaker.eu in the top address bar, or you can click on the first description link below, then enter. Once you are on the onemaker.eu website, click on the Music Visualizer tab. After then, click on its top search panel and search for Rap Nation. Click on this. Now you are on Rap Nation Music Visualizer template page. Click on Angel of Trap template. And now we are on the editor page. Here we can change the whole template separately like the logos, image, music, color and video size. Let's edit this template. First click on Upload Logo. A dialog box will appear. Select your logo from your computer. I select my logo file, then open it. Adjust the size according to your logo. Logo file should be in PNG format. It will take some time to upload the file. It looks good to me. Now click on Upload Photo and select your background image. Your image size should be Full HD 1080p. Adjust the image by this scale slider. And then click on Crop button. And now our image file is uploading. And it will take some time once the logo and image are uploaded. Then click on Advanced Setting box tab. Here you will see many options to edit this template like audio track, colors, video size. So first I am going to upload audio track. So click on Upload Audio Track. Then select your audio file and then open it. Now change your wave color 1, click here. And this color palette dialog box will appear. You can choose your color from color palette. Also if you have any color code, you can use it here. Then click on the plus icon. Here you can type any color code here and choose your favorite color from here. So I'm going with this color. And for the second waveform, I am going with this color. And for the third waveform color, I am choosing this one. For fourth color, I am choosing this color. And last for the fifth color, I am going with default color. And from here you can change your video size format for YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or any other social sites. Here the available video sizes are 16:9, 1:1, 5:4, 9:16. Choose your video size, then click on Save and Make Video. Now your video is getting ready, and it will take some time. Now our audio spectrum video is ready. So if you want to HD video, click on Make HD Videos. And if you want to change something in the project, click on Back to Edit. To download, click on Download button and save it to wherever you want in your system. Then click on the Save. After then click on Save File in your browser and open it.
So there you have it, everything you needed to be able to try and repeat Rap Nation success. Go ahead, experiment with creating your videos and have fun. And don't forget to leave a comment and give us a like. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.